Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a Will It Fit video. We've got a 2019 Toyota Tundra with a 3-inch lift on it, some 20x9 wheels with a positive 18mm offset, and some 305, 55, 20 all-terrain tires. The answer is yes, it will fit. You'll need to trim a little bit of your bumper. Now this is trimmed so that it will not rub on any type of turning surface. So going into driveways, not just on straight, level ground. So we trimmed a little bit of the front bumper. We trimmed some of the front inner fender. We also had to come to the back and trim a little bit of the inner fender. We didn't do anything with the fender itself. We didn't roll any of the fender or do a NorCal mod or anything like that, but we did need to trim the plastic lining of that inner fender. So with that being said, they fit pretty well. If you're going with a 20x10 with a negative 24mm offset, it is gonna rub and you're gonna need to trim. But a 20x9 with a positive 18mm offset, it's just a little bit of plastic trimming. With that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.